Today, I am going to talk to you about how love motivates men. A very interesting subject, isn't it? A man is an amazing human being if understood properly. Generally, when a woman is in love, she is truly in love and she wants to give it a full shot, which means that she is fully involved in making it work. However, a man at times may not show the same interest, emotions, or enthusiasm in love, which makes his partner, that is his wife or his girlfriend or his woman, feel that he is not fully committed to the love relationship. It must be understood that these two species, I mean males and females, are not equal in so many ways and may respond differently to situations of love in their own natural characteristics. Females, in an unspoken language, communicate very clearly to men. Females know how to communicate very clearly to men to show their love. When I say unspoken language, it means their thinking, feeling, behavior, all of which says, I need you. Your power and strength can bring great fulfillment in filling the emptiness which has been with us all these years, and together we could live in great happiness. This is the message that a woman gives to her lover. And most women understand how to give this message. They know very well how to give this message, and they are very clear about this message of love. In the beginning of a relationship, a woman gives a man a brief look which says, you could be the one to make me happy. In this manner, she starts or she initiates the relationship. This starting approach encourages him to come closer and make him confident to have a relationship. Unfortunately, once they are in a relationship and as problems begin to come up, she does not know how important the message is to him and neglects to send that message of love which she had been sending at the beginning. Did you get what I mean? The first message of love that she sent him through her body language and feelings get lesser and lesser. However, the man or the husband expects this first message of love to be continued throughout without a let up. But when a man is in love, there is no limit for his caring and serving others. Actually, when a man is truly in love with a woman, there is no amount of restriction. He gives everything what he has in love, care, and comfort, passion, all those things. Therefore, when his heart is open, he feels very confident and given the opportunity, he will do his best. During his youth, he does things only to make him happy. A little bit of selfishness. But now he stops to be motivated or to work for himself alone and experiences his partner's fulfillment of happiness as his own. He can easily undergo many hardships to make her happy. In this positive atmosphere of his newfound love, his problems becomes easy to handle and he has a purpose in life. Most men are starving to give love, but they don't know how to do it. Actually, they don't know how to romance because they rarely saw their fathers succeed in fulfilling love to their mothers. Actually, they have not seen their father giving that romance, giving that love to the mother. And because of this, he does not know that there is a greater fulfillment and happiness in giving. Then, when his relationship fails, he is stuck in his silent zone, depressed, and stops to give caring and loving. Do you understand what I am saying? Okay. When a man feels that he is not making a difference in someone's life, it becomes very hard for him to care about his life and relationship. When he feels that he is not needed, it is difficult to motivate him. To become his all positive self again, he needs to be appreciated, trusted, and accepted, or it becomes a slow death to a man. Therefore, this message is for all women and wives out there listening to me on this video podcast, that it is so important for you to give appreciation, trust, and acceptance to your partner for whatever he does to you. This is your part to make a relationship successful. If you do this, trust me, your relationship will work magic. Do not hide your love. Show it openly to your man. It is not a fake if you do this. You do your part well, and at least you will be happy that you have done your part well. That's all for today. Until we meet up, it's bye for me.